Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable or disable call waiting on iOS 26. First of all, I need to mention that sometimes this option won't be available because it depends on your carrier, but this option just lets someone that calls you wait on the line if you are, for example, on a call with someone else, and then you'll have an option to either end call with the person you're talking to and then also mute the call that is incoming. You can also end the call with the person you're talking to right now and accept the other call, or you can also hold the call you currently have just to answer for a moment that other person. So that's great. And to enable that, go to the settings, then scroll all the way down to apps, and now find phone. I'm just gonna use this slider on the right to find the phone app, then select call waiting. You'll need to wait a moment until it reads the data from your SIM card. Now you can disable or enable it. And when it's enabled, then it works the way as I've described it earlier. And I hope the video is helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.